So our next song is the much loved Jyoti Kalash Chalke, composed in the same rag, but with by two absolute geniuses, Sudhir Phadke, or Babuji as he was called, very talented, highly celebrated composer of many Marathi and Hindi films, and in our current context, an RSS supporter who gathered funds from common people and made a film on Veer Savarkar. Its Gujarati version was released by Narendra Modi. And the song's lyricist was another hugely talented poet, Narendra Sharma, who was such a child prodigy that he got admission straight into class 7. Now, that's really strange. He just went to school and they put him in class 7. And he excelled in academics, eventually became a professor teaching English as well as Hindi poetry at Banaras University, took part in the freedom movement, was appointed Nehru's Hindi secretary. And he was taken to Bombay by the novelist Bhagwati Charan Verma, and there he joined All India Radio. And he's credited for giving unique names to AIR programs. Like he's the one who named this program Vivid Bharti. That was named by him. Chaya Geet, Hawa Mahal, Bela Ke Phool. So these are all names given by him to these programs, which we just, which we say Vivid Bharti ka wo gana ye wo. He's also said to have christened Chetan Anand's son, Ketan. And given when Devanand and Chetan Anand were starting their production company, he was the one who suggested that it should be called Nav Ketan in honor of the newborn child. And he was such a prolific writer. He also wrote songs for films. And such was his status that when he got married, not only did everybody in the film fraternity come to attend his wedding, M.S. Subbalakshmi and Suraya actually sang to welcome his bride. So we're talking about a person of that literary stature. Unfortunately, in our film music, we don't really mention Ramlal Chaudhary. We don't talk enough about these very, very talented people. Lata Mangeshkar called him Papaji and venerated him as a father figure. And the lyrics of this song, which I think are probably the most serene, they describe the early morning rising of the sun, the dawn, the hope of a new day rising. And then, of course, is Lata's absolutely sublime rendition. In fact, the whole piece, the music, the lyrics, the singing is so beautiful that apparently when Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who himself was a renowned poet, when he heard it, he broke down and he said, this is absolutely sublime. Let's hear this from Sarita.
ज्योति कलश छलके ज्योति कलश छलके ज्योति कलश छलके ज्योति कलश छलके हुए गुलाबी लाल सुनहरे रंग दल बादल के ज्योति कलश छलके घर आंगन वन उपवन उपवन करती ज्योति अमृत से सिंचन मंगल घट ढल के मंगल घट ढल के ज्योति कलश छलके पात पात बिरवा हरियाला सच सपने कल के, सच सपने कल के, ज्योति कलश छलके। उषा ने आंचल फैलाया, फैली सुख की शीतल छाया। नीचे आंचल के, नीचे आंचल के, ज्योति कलश छलके। ज्योति यशोदा धरती गैया, नील गगन गोपाल कन्हैया। श्यामल छवि झलके, श्यामल छवि झलके, ज्योति कलश छलके, ज्योति कलश छलके।
Thank you.